how to search and filter videos on YouTube. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to filter your videos that you are searching for on YouTube. So all what you have to do is go to this bar and search, for example, for let's say computer. Now all what you have to do is click here on these filters, and you can choose, for example, last hour. You can also manage the type, the video, channel, playlist. You can also choose the duration of the video and the features. You have many features right here, as you can see: HDR, 3D, VR, and you can also sort by upload date or view count. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.